Adaptation. Do you know why fishes live only in water and not on land? This is because they do not get favorable conditions on land. These favorable conditions are called adaptation. Plants and animals have special features which help them to live in their surroundings, and that is known as adaptation. Therefore, we can say that fishes are adapted to water. Now let us understand the adaptations of different animals. Adaptations of desert habitats. In desert, the temperature is high and there is a shortage of water. Plants such as cacti can survive in desert areas as they have fleshy stems to store water. A camel has adaptations to help it survive in a desert. Adaptations for water habitats. Water lily can survive in water as its stems are long and narrow to withstand water currents without getting damaged. Fishes can survive because of their streamlined shape and also they have gills to breathe in water. Adaptations for polar and mountain habitats. Pine trees have sharp needle-like leaves which help the snow to slide off easily and thus it can survive on mountains. Animals such as yak have thick fur to protect themselves from cold. Adaptations for grassland habitats. Grasslands are windy and dry. Plants like acacia can survive in grasslands. Lions live in forests and in grasslands due to their habitat. Adaptations for tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests have a warm climate with heavy rainfall due to which the vegetation is very dense. Many animals such as monkeys are found in rainforests and are adapted to live on trees.